Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. And those of you who have not subscribed, please hit this subscribe button and smash the likes button and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's talk about Polymath. What is Polymath seeking to do? Now, Polymath is seeking to be just like it as Ethereum is to app or protocol coins. Polymath wants to be for security tokens. And we will see that. Now, what should you be asking? Why security tokens? Now, there are many advantages of security tokens on the blockchain. The first one is it's going to offer 247, at least all-round trading all year long. There is no intermission. There is no stop. And then the second thing is with the blockchain, it's going to offer access to 2 billion unbanked people. So some persons are saying 4 billion and something, but it's going to offer access with the blockchain to the unbanked people. And then the other thing again is the blockchain liquidity. And then with the blockchain, there will be things like negligible transaction fees. And then with blockchain again, there could be things like instant settlement. And with the blockchain, crypto fundraising can actually take place, because you see a lot of platforms want to come and raise money, but most times we ask ourselves, do you really need money? Do you really need to launch an ICO and all that? Why not you come to a platform like Polymath? That is one of the things Polymath wants to do. So let's talk about what it costs to actually launch a security token. Now, there are many things like technical issues when you launch these tokens. How will it be working within the ecosystem? That is one of the things you have to cover. Then another thing again is, how do you not settle compliance issues or legal issues? What might be applicable in one area might not be applicable in another area, right? Then another thing again is the issue of liquidity. Okay, now you want to raise money for an ICO because you want to do something. After that, which exchange is going to accept you? So sometimes you see platforms launch and it takes maybe months or a long time for this platforms to actually get on exchange. So that is another issue. And then launching a security token, because of all these many stuffs, it's time consuming and it's actually expensive. So what is the solution Polymath is seeking to bring? Polymath is seeking to bring a solution that will help people with collaboration. So you can collaborate with the Polymath system and everything will be done for you. And then it's going to provide legal compliance, and it's also going to help you with the creating of the security tokens. If you go on the website, we'll walk to the website how to do all this. You can actually launch your token in a matter of minutes as against other platforms, and then it's going to bring in a Polymath tokens, which will be able to fuel different sources. We will see that when we talk about the use of these tokens. And then they are also going to launch an exchange platform. So they will be the world first exchange only trading platform. So when they launch these security tokens, they are going to be automatically listed on the Polymath exchange. So that is those are some of the solutions they are bringing. So the Polymath ecosystem, it consists of the technological side. It consists of 4 aspects, but we'll talk about only 2. Now, one of them is the legal layer. So the legal layer is like, you have a kind of repository, just like you have the GitHub for web development. They have something like a GitHub of lawyers, and then they have the exchange that which they will be able to blacklist or whitelist any token and be able to onboard new tokens and also be able to liquidate these tokens. Okay, you might be asking, okay, what is the use of the Polymath tokens? The Polymath tokens, it's of use to many people, as for investors who wants to invest in platforms that are offering security tokens. The Polymath token will actually help them with that. Those who are actually issuing, they can actually issue these tokens to these people. Just like you have Ethereum having ERC 20 tokens, Polymath is going to have what they call the XT20 tokens. And then for developers also, this can be able to help them. And then legal delegates and also third parties that are working in the system, they will also be requiring Polymath. Then things to maintain consensus in the system, also using proof of stake, the token will be found useful indeed. So you'll be asking, okay, who are some of the partners? There are They have some partners already. Like there is a company that is founded by one of the founders of the VoIP, voice over the internet. It is what actually the protocol that enables us to make call over the internet and rest of them. Is launching is launching a security token, and it's going to be using this platform. So they have a upcoming meetup. You can actually, okay, it's already sold out. Sorry about that. And when you go through the team, the founders in the team and their partners, they have a very, very good team. In the sense, these are some of the advisors and the rest of them that are working with them. So you can go on the website and then you can see the XT20 tokens if you want to launch your tokens. Securities tokens standard. And then you can go through the white paper and then the blog and maybe their Twitter and all that. Now, what should you take from this video? What Ethereum is to, you see a lot of platforms launching on Ethereum and the rest of ERC20 tokens. Polymath will be to security tokens. So Ethereum could be to protocol tokens or maybe app tokens. Polymath is to security tokens. So guys, do have a very good day. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and that actually encourages me. So guys, do have a very, very good day.